Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to upload a widget to your home screen. To start, simply long press any empty space on your home screen. This action will reveal a menu at the bottom or top of your display. From there, select the Widgets option. You'll then see a list of all the widgets available from your installed applications, ready for you to explore and choose. Once you've tapped Widgets, scroll through the list to find the application you want a widget from. Many apps offer several widget options, varying in size and functionality, such as a 4x2 calendar view or a 2x2 weather display. Tap on your preferred widget, and sometimes you'll get a chance to customize its appearance or content before adding it. After selecting your widget, you'll typically drag it directly onto your home screen. As you drag, you'll see an outline indicating the space it will occupy. Simply move it to an empty spot on any of your home screen pages. Make sure there's enough room. For example, a 4x2 widget needs 8 grid squares. Release your finger to place it. Once a widget is on your home screen, you can often adjust its size. Long press the widget, and you might see handles appear around its edges. Drag these handles to make it larger or smaller, fitting your layout perfectly. To remove a widget, long press it and drag it to the Remove or X icon that appears, usually at the top of the screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.